Sometimes, the biggest difference in how you handle your money comes from the software you use every day. And comparing Actual Budget with Firefly 3 shows how two open-source tools can take very different approaches to personal finance. Both are built around privacy, transparency, and control of your own data, but they target slightly different user needs. So looking at them side by side can help you choose the one that best fits your habits and goals. Actual Budget focuses on zero-based budgeting in a clean, simple way. You assign every unit of income to a category, whether it's rent, groceries, savings, or debt repayment, until nothing is left unallocated. This envelope-style system gives you a live view of how much you can spend and where, encouraging you to plan ahead and stick to your priorities. Because it's open source, you can self-host it with Docker or run it locally on your computer, which means you stay in full control of your data without sending it to a third-party server. The interface is minimal and fast, making it easy to start budgeting even if you've never used a digital tool before. Firefly 3, by contrast, is more of a full-fledged personal finance manager than a strict budgeting app. It still lets you categorize spending and set budgets, but it's also designed for detailed transaction tracking, importing data from banks, managing multiple accounts, and producing in-depth reports. You can tag transactions, track recurring payments, and generate charts showing your spending and income trends over time. This makes Firefly 3 great for people who want a deeper dive into their finances, including historical analysis and multi-account management. Like Actual Budget, it's open source and self-hostable, so your data remains private and customizable. Both apps share key values: no subscription lock-in, user control over data, and active communities, but the experience differs. Actual Budget leans towards simplicity and speed, focusing on real-time budgeting decisions. Firefly 3 leans toward a richer feature set and detailed insights, giving you more tools for analysis and planning. Your choice will depend on whether you prefer a straightforward envelope budgeting system that's easy to maintain, or a more comprehensive finance manager that can handle complex tracking. By weighing how you actually handle money, whether you want to plan every unit of income or review every transaction in depth, you can decide whether Actual Budget's focused zero-based approach or Firefly 3's broader financial management system will help you stay on track and reach your goals more effectively.